Hello. Again. Piccalilli this time.
It looks like puke.
It actually does.
Wait.
Look at it from the inside. Look at it from the inside. It's horrid. Look at your face. You can play it. Do I actually have to eat this?
Yes.
This is one hell of a first video.
Here it is. Proper spoonful.
It's got bits in it.
Oh!
Yeah, that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Don't smell it.
What does it smell like?
Pickles. Yellow pickles.
Oh.
Okay, that's actually really hot. Not massively, but
At least it didn't give you the jalapeno pepper one.
okay, that's fine. Oh, it exploded. Okay, what are you eating?
Oh, bramble jelly. It actually looks like proper jelly.
Oh, we're from England. That's called jam.
Jam? You said it's jam. It looks like proper jelly.
It's jam. That's.
It looks like jelly cubes. Look, it wobbles.
You have to eat it. You have to eat it. I ate that Piccalilli stuff. And my mum will kill me. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
You can spit it out if it's that bad. Drink. You have to tell me what it tastes like. What does it taste like?
It was really, really sweet.
Oh.
It was really, really sweet, and the texture of it was like
Oh.
puke. Oh, it's like vomitocious. It's like eating warm jelly cubes. or when you have a packet of gummy bears and they've all melted in together. It's like trying to eat that. Oh.